Okay, so April Fool's Day, and I just got these pregnancy tests and a fake kit. It's off of Amazon, and it'll make your fake pee, make it look like you're pregnant. It'll turn your pregnancy test positive. So this is how it comes, and this is what's in this kit. Let's take a look. Okay, this is it in the package. It does say scan for the user manual. And so I can take my phone. I'm going to show you exactly how this works. I'm going to go ahead, bring up your camera and go ahead, scan that. Now, it's taking me to make any pregnancy test positive, Preg Pro Prank Pregnancy Test. And you can buy this off of Amazon. It says, dig the yellow side into 10 milliliters of water and wait till the yellow turns to white. Stirring will make it fast and the fake pee is ready. So let's take a look what's inside of here. Okay, so here we have this stick. Okay, and here we have this. So what we do, it just says, dig the yellow side into 10 milliliters of water. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and get yourself some water and make sure it's 10 milliliters. So not much at all. Go ahead, get yourself a disposable cup, make it seem a whole lot more realistic. So you don't need much at all here. About a teaspoon, so you don't need much at all. And I'm going to go ahead, stir this in with the yellow side, just like so. I'm not even going to wonder. Okay, so I'm waiting until the yellow stuff is all gone off of the stick. So it gives a little bit of a pea color in this cup. All right, I've got it in here. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to call my kids, okay? So guys, I'm not sure, but I thought you should know, I think I might be pregnant, but I wanted to find out together. So we're just going to find this out. I'm going to open this pregnancy test so you guys can see and share it with me. So nothing there. We're all good. We have to wait 3 minutes. Are you excited? No? Yes? I'm going to just hold this in here for 5 seconds. And now we just have to wait about 3 minutes to see. And 1 means I'm not. And 2 lines means I am. So even if it's super faint, because I've taken 6 of these before, the faintest line will mean pregnant. How many lines are there? This isn't 3 minutes, but can you see any lines? How many do you see?
No way.
Do you see it?
Baby sister.
2 lines. 2 lines, pregnant. Are you excited?
Yes.
Or not sure? Do you want to add another one to this crazy mess? April Fools. Oh, I'm not pregnant. Do you think we should text your sister? Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going to tell somebody else and see how they do. Okay. You wonder how I did it? Okay. All right, we're going to do this one more time. We're going to text the picture of this pregnancy test to my daughter. I'm going to go ahead and find the kid's phone. Take a picture. It's definitely 2 lines. It's getting more evident. I said 3 minutes. It's coming up quickly, so it's looking like you're definitely farther along. All right. Says 2 pregnant, 1 not pregnant. So she should. And I'm going to text her. Gonna text her, guess what? With a picture of the pregnancy test. This is a fun prank to plan anybody. There's no reaction. She says, what? Yeah, thinking 8 months. And you will be a big sister again. Okay, so this is just fun. Play this joke on anybody you want to, just for fun. Don't make a big deal out of it. Keep it light, but fun with this fake pregnancy test. I think you'll enjoy it too.